Hello everybody and welcome back to this tutorial, and right now in our last section we are going to take a look at actually interacting with images in Python 3. So in order to do that you will need a simple library which is called the image color. So first of all we need to actually download it, so go open up your command prompt, navigate to the scripts folder, so cd programs, cd local, cd programs, cd python, and then python 37, and then scripts, and there simply just type pip install image color. Now right here you can see for me requirement is already satisfied, but you will need to install it in order for this to work. Then as soon as you install that, let us go to our actual Google Chrome and type here image. And basically we can download any image that we want. So let's say we want to download this image, save images, and save it on our desktop. Let's call it image simply. Okay, we can close this. We can see that the image is on our desktop. If we open it, it will open the image itself. It is the JPEG. Let us see right here. Okay, so here is the image, and right now let us use the image color in order to, for example, set some different colors and in order to interact with the image itself. So close this idle, or pardon me, this command prompt first, open up your idle, and first thing we need to do in order to interact with the image itself is go to the actual desktop directory. So import os that get current working directory. Then we will copy this first part right here, and then we will use change directory in order to change our directory to the actual, oops, what is this right here, to the desktop. Yeah, I forgot to close the single quote. Let me just do it again. Oh, yeah, it is not this one. It should be up to here and not after the app data. That's why it can't really find the directory. So let us just go like this. Yeah, now it will work. And then we need to import our image color. So in order to import it, you simply just type from pill import image color. Press here enter, and simply in order to use the actual image color and the RGBA, you can simply just type image color dot get color, and in between the brackets specify the color name, which is red, and then comma, and then open and close single quotes RGBA. Press here enter, and you will see the actual RGBA value for the specific color. If you want to, for example, get the for different color, let's say you want black, so image color dot get color, and you want to get the color black or the RGB value for the color black, you will simply specify the same as in the previous example. Press here enter, and you will see the RGBA value for the color black. Now you can also specify some different colors, such as for example chocolate color, so color.get color, and you specify chocolate, comma, RGBA. You will see it gets a different value for the actual RGBA. Now let us take a look at using the coordinates and opening the image with this image color library. Okay, so simply just, if you open up a new idle, you simply just type the same import as this one, and then in order to actually import the actual image, you simply just type image equals, well, let's use img, just so we don't confuse it with the actual library itself. So img equals, and then we will specify image.open, and in between the brackets we specify the image name, which is image.jpg. I believe that is the name. Image is not defined. Oh yeah, pardon me, it is not the same import Let me just restart this real quick. We need to import a little bit differently. So in the previous actual example, we used from pill import image color. And right now, all we want to do is from pill import image. Yeah, it is from pill import image. So simply just type it like this and not image color. You only want to import image. And now you should be able to open the image itself. So image.open images or image. Let me just see how did we save it. Image.jpg. Yeah, right now we need to import OS in order to navigate to actual desktop directory once again, because we did restart terminal, or pardon me, idle, not terminal. And now os.change directory, and in between the brackets we will simply just specify, I said in between the brackets, but for some reason it put it outside of the brackets. We will fix that just like this, and then to the desktop. Press here enter, and now let us try to finally open the image on our desktop. Image.jpg, press here enter, and we successfully opened the image. Okay, so the open function actually opens the image, and now right now let us see what we can do with that image. So let's say we want to, for example, get the size of that image. We can simply just do that just by specifying img, which is the object of the image itself, and then dot size. This will return the actual size in pixels, as we can see 640 or under 400. We can also store that into two different variables, such as, for example, width, comma, height equals img.size. Then if you want to print some statement, the image width is, and then simply just add width plus or comma, and the height is, and then once again comma, height. We can see the image width is 600 and the height is 400. Okay, so simple as that. If you want to get for example the name of the image, you can simply just type image.filename. It will return the image.jpg. Now you can also try to get the format description, so image.format underscore, I believe, underscore description. Press here enter, you will see JPEG ISO 10918, and you can also save the image just by simply typing img.save and then image.jpg, or however you want to call it. You can simply just save it like that. Okay, now if you want to interact with the image somehow, you can simply just type let's say we create an IM object equals image.new, and then open and close brackets, specify RGBA, because we're going to specify the RGBA value right here, comma, let's type 100, 200, and then let's say the color will be equal to purple. Press here enter, and then let's say you want to save that image, you simply just type im.save, and there you specify the name, let's say purple image.jpg, or let's do png, doesn't even matter. We press here enter, and now if we go into our desktop right here, we will have the purple image that we created. We can see if we open it, it will be a color purple. The actual width is 100, while as the height is 200 that we specified right here. Okay, we use the RGBA values of the purple color. So that is how you can do something like that. You can simply just do you can simply just try a different color if you want to. So im2 equals image.new, in between the brackets specify RGBA once again, comma, whoops, comma, then the actual width will be, let's say, 1080 80, and then the 900, and then the height will be, doesn't even matter, and then we'll just simply specify blue, press here enter, and then if we just type im2.save blue image.png, press here enter, it's saved. Go right here, let's close this, and now we have the blue image as well right here. Okay, now let's say you want to crop an image. You can also do that just by using the crop function from the actual image library. Okay, so let's say we want to crop that image. We can simply just type cropped image is going to be equal to im2.crop, and you open and close two brackets, and here specify the RGBA. So for example 335, 345, 565, let's say, and 560. Press here enter, and then if you want to save the cropped image, you type cropped image.save, and let's call it crop.png. Press here enter, save the image, and you can see right here these two images are no longer different. We can see right here this is the cropped image, while as this is the original image that we created 1 minute ago. Okay, now if you want to, for example, copy paste a picture into a different picture, you can also do that. So let's say you open the, first of all let me just restart my idle. Right here, import os, os.get current working directory. We'll copy this as usual. os.change directory to the, and then desktop. Then we will from pl import image, and right here first of all we will open an image, so img will be equal to image.open, and we will open our downloaded image, which is image.jpg. Press here enter, and then if you want to copy that image, you can simply just type image_copy will be equal to image.copy. Press here enter, this will copy the image. If you want to crop some part of this image, we already saw how we can do that. Let me just go this to the right. Let's say we want to crop some part of this image. Let's say we crop a piece of it. We can simply just type image or cropped image once again will be equal to, let's say, image.crop, and we will specify the same numbers as before, so 365, comma 345, comma 565, comma 560. Press here enter, and this will be the cropped image of our downloaded image. And then in order to actually paste this image to a different image, we can simply just type, let's say, image_copy dot paste, and then in between the brackets we specified cropped image underscore image, and then comma, and let's type 0,0. Press here enter. Let's see if this will work, and let's try to actually save it. So image copy.save pasted.png. Press here enter. We can see right here it successfully did save it, and we can see right here it is cropped. We don't have anything right here. If you compare it to the regular image, we have the full image right here. Okay, so basically that would be about it for this tutorial and also for this course. Now basically this was a beginner course. I showed you some of the different modules that are used in Python 3 programming, showed you some of the most basic functions that you will use most of the time. We coded some of the actual coding projects, examples here and there. You introduce yourselves really well with the specific and basic options and things in Python 3, such as classes, functions, variables, strings, and so on and so on. We also took a look at the networking, website interaction, different files we opened in Python, time module, and all of those different kinds of stuff. Now, of course, this course will not get you to an advanced user. Of course, you will need to practice more and more, as well as learn from different courses or books or something like that. And most likely, you will need to specify at one single task in Python 3, such as, for example, data analysis, cybersecurity, networking, interacting with websites, machine learning, and so on and so on. So Python 3 is a huge language. What I showed you right here is only a little bit of Python 3. Therefore, you should continue learning it as much as you can in order to perfect your skill of being a programmer in Python 3. So basically, this was our last video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did learn something new from it, and I hope you will use it for your own needs. So thank you for sticking out till the end of this course with me, and I hope I will see you in some future course. Take care and bye!